Hi guys, welcome back to Food Mood Creation. Today we're making a mango smoothie. These are mangoes and I'm just going to add them to the blender first and blend them. These are the stringy mangoes, so they have hair like fibers that get stuck in your teeth, which is why most people don't like them. But if you put them in the blender first and puree them into a smooth puree, then put them into a fine mesh strainer, it will catch most of those fibers. So now I'm just gonna add the chia seeds, pea protein powder, and sweetener. So now I'm just gonna add the almond milk and blend that to combine. So let's talk health benefits. Mangoes contain vitamins and minerals which can play an important role in boosting the immune system. This helps protect against infections, inflammation, and some forms of cancer. Mangoes also provide a healthy supply of potassium which can regulate the heartbeat and blood pressure. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids can protect against inflammation, decrease cholesterol levels, and boost cognitive performance. I'm just gonna pour the mango smoothie into a glass. I just realized that there is no ice in the smoothie and I don't want a hot smoothie, so I'm not pouring all of the mango smoothie into the glass. I'm gonna add a couple of ice cubes to the blender and blend that until it is smooth. So this is how the mango smoothie came out. It was really good. As always, if you want detailed instructions on how to make this mango smoothie, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.